just speak, no?
Yes. I'm Dr. Pranali and I'm here for promotion of National Network of Buddhist Youth, which is a youth organization for the youth. Here we are working for the underprivileged people or all the youth who want resources. Like if I am a doctor, he is an engineer and there are some lawyers and everything. We want to exchange these resources with our underprivileged people who don't have these resources. For here, we have like 2-3 projects we are doing it every year. Like there is a national convention wherein 600 to 700 people, youth come from all over India. From this year also, 100 youth are coming from UP, where they don't know Buddha, or in Bihar also they don't know Buddha. They know Buddha as a way of livelihood because they get money from Buddha, but they actually don't know what is Buddha and what he has done. So now when we have convinced them, 4 of the girls there wanted to learn more.
Okay.
They wanted to take education, but it is not possible in that society, in their state. That's why we adopted that 4 girls, and we have completed their graduation, and now they are doing their post-graduation.
Okay.
And also they are preparing for UPSC as well.
Okay.
So this is one of our success thing we take, and this is Youth Development Center, which we have got a land in Nashik, a 2.5-acre land we have got, and we are working in an eco-friendly way. It is going to be a training center for youth.
Okay.
It can be training for any type of skill development. It can be from maths, English to Buddhism to Ambedkarism. It can be anything. Whatever youth needs, we are trying to give it that way. After looking at this project, one of the architects from London, he got impressed and he is working with us on this project. So he will be working soon on this project, and it will be like a very much eco-friendly thing.
Right.
Yeah.
So you have started the construction of this thing?
We have started the fundraising thing for making this structure. We will be requiring 1 crore rupees.
Okay.
And for its maintenance for next 50 years, we will be needing 1 crore.
Okay.
We are doing it now because if you build such a big thing and you don't plan for its maintenance, then it is of
no use.
That's why we are also planning for that 1 crore as well now.
So how does this group work? Like, who are the people involved in this group?
Like this is, we met in one of the conventions,
Okay.
a big youth gathering, and then we said that just meeting for youth gathering is not going to do anything or much of change in society. That's why we planned that we form an organization in which all these youth come together, exchange their resources, and we can give 3 T's to people, that is time, talent and treasure.
Okay.
So we can share it with other part of youth which are not with us right now. We have created this flowers which is symbol of knowledge. Buddha says lotus is symbol of knowledge, and we are giving it to everyone who is coming to us.
Thanks.
To tell that we belong to Baba Sahib, we belong to this society, and we are part of you. And we have like.
Do we get one?
Yeah, you can. There's this statement, you know.
Yes,
It says, "ये पढ़े लिखे लोगों ने मुझे धोखा दिया." It's Baba Sahib.
Yeah.
So we have crossed it, and we have written down that the responsibility of this statement, of denying this statement, we take that responsibility. And because now here we are all learned, but we are not going to betray Baba Sahib.
Okay.
So that's why we are working for this. This lotus we are giving to all the people, and we are expecting that they can give us some donation for this youth development.
Very nice.
No tali today.